Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So the rat stopped. Jagannath, he wouldn't move. And all the men, strong men, they couldn't move the rat. The elephants came, they couldn't move. Because if Jagannath doesn't want to move, he won't move. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu alone, just pushing with his head, moved the rat. So the understanding from this is that Bhagavan is moved by the love of his devotees, not by any physical strength. And this is the special teaching of ISKCON, Hare Krishna movement. The basic teaching is Bhagavad Gita. We are going from body to body to body. Reincarnation is a fact. It is not a matter of opinion. We should get free from this suffering of birth and death by chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This will free us from birth and death, and more, that will bring us to the platform of Krishna Prema. So this is the special teaching of ISKCON, that the highest stage of human development is not to have space capsules going off to Mars or internet connecting us with all different parts of the world, but the highest stage of development is pure love of God. This as shown by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And for this reason, the Ratha Yatra festival is there in Bhimavaram and all over the world, just to inform people that we all have a pure, loving relationship with Bhagavan, yes. And we can enter into that. We should do so. We should utilize our rare human form of life for developing this love of God. So it's a very simple message, but it's a very important message. It's for you, the reporters also. You have come here as reporters. It is your job. You get money so you can have idlis at home. But apart from being reporters, you are all jivas, atma. So this message is for you. It's not just something to put in your newspaper or on the TV. So you all please kindly consider. You've come here as journalists, but this message is for you individually, personally also. Okay, I held it enough. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Hare. Jagannath Bhagavan ki jai. Hare Krishna.